Here today, I will be showing you how to sharpen this knife and this knife. Alright, so I already sharpened it a little, but I will sharpen it some more. So I'm going to cut this piece of paper. Not much pressure. And then turn it to the side. Hold on, I gotta find a straight edge. Okay, so this right here. It ripped because it was a piece of paper. Okay, so this one I have. So you might know, because your mom might have these for her nails. You can use these for your blades. Your mom will take it and then rub her nails on it, and it sharpens her nails. You can take these and sharpen your knife. Anything that has like this. So you can use your window, you could use the bottom of a mug, and that, and then you could also do other things with it. And so I use this one right here for sharpening. Oops, this knife. Hang on, I dropped something. Okay, use it for that knife. And then this one I use for this one because it's an exsacto knife right here, and it fits better to it because you can see it matches. It fits better. And then the big one is too big for it. Too big for it. Okay, so a few ways you could do with this knife. It's a pocket knife. So there's the blade. There's more gadgets on it there. There's a screwdriver right there. There's a wrench. Pliers. So this blade right here. So you want to take it like this. So you want to have it like this, not flat like this. You want to have it like this, because if you have it flat, you'll just be scratching your blade. So you want to have it like that, and then you go down like that. You match the blade. You go along with the frame of the blade. You do that 10 times. You do that 10 times, and then you switch it over and do that 10 times. Another way, you could take it from down here and go like this and match the blade. Down here, go. Down here, do that. Switch it over. Remember, don't do it flat on the ground. You gotta do it up a little. Those are two ways. You could do it like this. You could hold it in your hand and do it. So that's that knife. Let's set that down. And then this piece right here, I go over the blade like this. And then this one right here, you can, here. Sassy chick, I don't know. So that's what this is called. So I take the softest side, which is this one right here, and I just rub it along the blade like that, just to smooth it out. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to sharpen a exsacto knife or a box cutter. So it's a little bit different. You still do it like this, but you don't really have much space because there's this. So you gotta move it to the end here, and you gotta go up a little. flip it over. You do this one 11 times. Not much of a difference. I have this right here. Just go over it again. Flip it over. Go over it again. And then I take this piece, find the soft side, and then just do that. Wipe it off. It's basically like you're wiping something. Okay, so that's that. That's that for today. I was showing you how to sharpen a knife. Thanks, and watch.